In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Sounds and Vibration over here. Now you can tap on Vibrate at the top and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also hit Ring on the left and this way access this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. When you're ready, tap on Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity for calls and alarms, and then messages and notifications thanks to those sliders. To discard your changes, hit Cancel at the top left corner of this pop-up. To apply them, click on this area at the top. Now scroll down. Click on Ringtone over here and select the Vibration section at the top. Finally, you can tap on No Vibration, synchronize them with Ringtone, or pick one of those vibration patterns by tapping on a perfect one for you. When you finished, go back again, and scroll all the way down to tap on Haptics. Now thanks to this switcher next to System Haptics, you can enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes and more. If you decided to enable this option, adjust intensity of them thanks to this slider. If you want to, you can also tap on all haptics over here to see this presentation. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!